Joe Follico again for Insignia Futures and Options. This is part 3 of our InsigniaTrader platform tutorial series. In this video, I will be covering how to manage and modify orders in the platform. Let's get started. To manage and modify orders, we're going to be using the order book window, which you'll see in this layout is down here. I'm going to pull it out here and expand it so we can see everything going on in here. Okay, so I have a working order in here. Now there are 3 views to the order book, in which you're going to see right now we're in the working orders. If you click in this menu here, we have show all statuses, which will show all orders, canceled, filled, and working. So you can see we have some previously filled orders and canceled orders. You could tell that by the order status column here. And then we also have completed orders only, or filled orders only, or I should say orders that are no longer working. And again, I'll show you the status. So again, you can see 1 is canceled and 2 are filled. But for this example, we're going to go back to the all statuses. That's going to show you everything. So as new orders come in, there will be at the top. It's always going to be a top down. So we have an active order working here, as you can see from the status. So let's say, for example, we want to change the price. We have a limit order working in the micro and mini S&P. Here's the symbol. And we want to change this price, raise it up a little bit. There's plus and minus buttons here, and these will move the price 1 tick, either up or down. So once you get the price where you want it, using these buttons, or you could actually, if you double click in there, you could highlight it and you could type in a price. So either way, for this example, we'll use the buttons, so we'll move it up a little bit. And when you do so, anytime you make any changes to this order, this circular arrow update icon will highlight. As you can see in these other previous orders, they're grayed out, which means they're not ready to be updated. Anytime this is highlighted white, that means it's ready to be updated. So simply by changing these prices does not modify the order. You have to click the update icon to take effect of the new parameters you changed. So I'm going to click that. Now that it's grayed out, that means it's been replaced. You'll see here replaced. And again, you could change the duration, so it's set to a day order. You could change it to good till canceled. You could change this to a stop market or limit order, stop limit. And you could also change the quantity, again using the arrow or the plus or minus buttons, or again you could just highlight it by double clicking in the field, and then you could type in a number. So I say type 3, 3's there. And again, by changing any parameter, you see now the update icon has been highlighted again. Again, it must be clicked for the changes to take effect. Click that, and now it's working. Okay, and you also see here the status live here, active. Now let's say you decide you no longer want this order, you want to just straight cancel it. So to do so, you're going to notice this red X here. Anytime you see a red X, that means it's a working order that can be canceled. If it's grayed out, that means it cannot be. Simply clicking the red X, that will cancel the order. You'll see the order status change to canceled, and now no longer working. So that's the easy way to manage orders. Again, use this menu here to change the view, completed orders or filled orders, working orders, or all of your orders for the day. Also keep in mind that these will be updated each night when your account goes through settlement, meaning that all this will disappear. The only thing that would remain is if you had any good till canceled working orders that did not get filled, they will continue to stay in the order book, working of course, because they are good till cancel. But everything else will be cleared out of here. So each day you'll come in with a fresh screen, and again, only good till canceled orders will be visible. So our next tutorial video will cover how to find margin requirements and symbol information in the InsigniaTrader platform. I hope you view it.